Welcome to Northern Ireland. Apparently it was very inconspicuous because we missed it and had to turn around and come back. Our first cache coming up right about now. So, magnetic nano?
Look at this sign has no strap.
Well, okay.
BCON?
BCON, another cache. First geocache in Northern Ireland.
Welcome to Londonderry. Let's go caching.
Right off the bat, just outside the walls of the city, we got 4 geocaches in a row. 3 earth caches and 1 virtual. And we knocked them off just like that. Boom, out of the ballpark. Got it. It's all about weathering, how one substance holds up to the weathering better than another. This is igneous solid rock. It's nice and smooth, handling the weather well. And this is sandstone, and it is not handling the weather well. It is wearing down quite quickly. I'd say in the next 150 to 200 years, they're going to have to replace these bases here because the sandstone will turn to sand and wash away. That's my prediction. You can mark it down on your calendar. It doesn't say it within any of 3 of the earth cache locations we're at, but I always like to take a picture and get kind of creative with it and goofy at some weird angle. So here's my 3 pictures from the earth cache and the picture from the virtual. In spite of our best efforts, we couldn't come up with the find. It was supposed to be a black magnetic nano. Hint says stand between the legs and start feeling. Well, we felt up these cannons till I'm pretty sure we are obligated to dinner and a movie, at least. And it's not going to be Dutch. We're going to have to take them both out, either together or separately, and we're not sure, but we couldn't come up with the find. It's going to have to be a DNF. It can get frustrating when you're geocaching and touring because you find a place you really enjoy and you just want to stroll and casually observe the location. Plus, of course, look for some geocaches, but that takes time. And when you add up all the time that you're looking for geocaches, it can add up, and quickly you can find yourself missing out on many of the geocaches that you have on your list. So you have to pick and choose the times to give up and the times to move on and try to get as much as you can in the day before the daylight leaves.